Welcome, in front of me is a Nokia 8.1 and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from the SIM card to your device. Now to get started we'll need to open up the standalone contacts app, which is right over here. And from the app, tap on the three bars and go to settings, where you should see option to import right around here. Choose that and select to copy contacts from a SIM card. And once you do, it will show you all the contacts that are on the SIM card, and automatically select the ones that are not on your device, although keep in mind that this process is a little bit wonky and I'm pretty sure those two contacts are already there, but it detects other ones as present already anyway. So from here you can also tap on where you want to save them, so you can either save them to your HardReset you can save them to your Gmail, which for me is HardReset, or you can save it to your device. Now I'm gonna go with the device, and actually right here we have all of them selected. So you can also deselect ones that you don't want, and once you have everything checked that you want, tap on the check mark and you can see 3 SIM contacts imported, and that's all it takes. From here you can go back and they should be visible here. Now if you don't see them right away, what you want to do is just simply close the app. If I could do it correctly, there we go. Close the app and reopen it, and it will fix the problem. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.